Sheffield Volleyball Club was founded in 1989 and in its short history has already had an illustrious past. Starting as a recreational volleyball side, it quickly established itself as one of the major volleyball clubs in the country. Currently, the club runs two other teams alongside their men's first team. Sheffield Volleyball Club will also offer opportunities for junior players. Men's first team. The men's first team are the current champions of England. They also hold the National Cup, which they retained from the previous season, once again beating London Mallory in the final, which was held at Ponds Forge International Sports Centre and televised on Sky Sports. The squad train every day and play their matches on a Saturday. Roster 2009-10. Former notable players. www.sheffieldvc.org, UK. www.fivb.org. www.volleyballengland.org. www.britishvolleyball.org.